Good morning, Janir too. How are you? I hope you are fine. In this chapter, we are talking about people of the Nile, and we know that the people of the Nile or people of Egypt are different. Okay, when I say a group of people or things that they are different from each other, so I mean by this definition, okay, the diverse. Okay, so diverse means group of things or people that they are different from each other. Okay, and we said to build a city, we must have important building in the city like the police station, fire station, schools, hospitals, and so on. And that we have a lot of jobs, okay, must found in the city. Okay, and we said after that we are talking about the water. Okay, and we said that the water is very important to us and to the animal and to the plant. Okay, so humans, plants, animal can't live without water. Okay, and we also use the water for washing dishes, for cleaning up our houses. Okay, so the water have very important uses to us. Okay, and then we said how can we get the water. Okay, we said from the water faucet. Okay, what is the path of the water from the Nile River? Okay, and then the first thing before Nile River we have raining. Okay, so raining the river Nile, and then the filtration system, and then for the water pipes. Okay, and then for the water faucet. What is the filtration system? We studies experiment about filtration system like gravels, sand, and filter paper, and we said that the filter paper is the best thing that filter the water. Okay, but the ink or the color remains in the water. Why? Because it has very small particles. It's smaller than the holes of the filter paper. Okay, so we have the ink still in the water. Okay, and we said after that here in this lesson the title is Egypt is growing. What's meaning by Egypt is growing? Is Egypt a human that's grow? No. Egypt is growing means what? Means that the people that live in Egypt are increasing in number, are increasing in their number. So population of Egypt means the number of people lives in Egypt. Number of people live in Egypt. Okay, look at the chart during the class discussion. Answer the questions. We have here a pictograph. We have two labels on it: population in millions and year. We deal that 1 cup of water, okay, equal 10 million people. Okay, this is the key, and half cup equal 5 million. So the first year in 1960 we have 2 cups and a half. So how can we know the number of population or number of people that live in Egypt? 1 cup is 10 million, and then plus 10 equal 20, plus 5 equal 25 million. Okay, in 1980 we have 4 cups, so we have 40 million people that's the population in Egypt in this year. In 2000 we have 7 cups of water, so we have 70 million people. In 2020 we have 10 cups and a half. 10 cups equal 10 million and half equal 5 million. So 10 plus 5 equal 105 million people. Okay, this is the population. After that we will turn to the next page. Okay, based on this data, in what year was the population of Egypt is the smallest? From the pictograph we know that the smallest population in 1960 and the greatest population in 2020. Okay, we will return back again. Here in 1960 is 25 million, and then 40, then 70, and then 105. So it's increasing. Okay, Here, in what year was the population the largest? In 2020. Circle the correct answer. The population is, it's getting bigger. Okay, we will choose getting bigger or getting smaller or staying the same. We know that's getting bigger. Okay, taking action. Taking actions for what? For how to conserve water, how to save water. Okay, even if the population of Egypt increase, so we must not waste water. We must save the water and conserve it. Okay, how can we conserve it? There is a lot of ideas. Okay, but we have here 2 ideas. Okay, the first one is close the water faucet when you brush your teeth. Okay, the next one is fix the leaking tap. If there is a leaking tap, we must fix it. Okay, who fix it? The plumber. Okay, what else? We have another idea like you can water the plant by using a small amount of water. Okay, after that we will speaking about energy. We take in the first term that there is food, okay, that make us make energy, okay, and have energy to run, to live, to think, to play. Okay, what's this food? The food that like the bread, the pasta, the rice, all of these things provide us by the energy. What's the why the important why the energy is important for us? It makes us run, live, play, think. Okay, so it's very important. We have another kind of energy which is called electricity. Okay, it's called electricity. Okay, electricity is very important energy that we use it in our daily life. Like what we have here 4 pictures for the importance of electricity or how can we use it. The first one, he is making what? He is cleaning the house by using what? By using the electric broom. So he needs electricity. The second picture, there is a girl, okay, which is dry her hair. Okay, she used what? She used the hair dryer. Hair dryer needs electricity to work. Okay, and the third picture is for a refrigerator. Refrigerator don't work without electricity. And then the video games, we can't play the video games without electricity. So the electricity is very important at all of these pictures. Okay, after that, my conservation plan. What's meaning by my conservation plan? Like the water, we said that there are a lot of ways to save water. I want now a lot of ways to save also electricity, because the electricity also is very important kind of energy. Okay, we will read here with each other. Imagine you are working in the Ministry of the Environment. You have been asked to prepare a list of ways that people could conserve energy. In one column, record the activities that use energy. In the other column, make a suggestion about how people could conserve energy relating to that activity. The first activity we have, turn on the light. Okay, how to conserve this kind of activity? How can we conserve the energy or save the electricity in this activity? We must turn off the light if the room is empty. Okay, the second one, playing video games. How can we conserve energy in this activity? Playing video games, but for short time, sorry. Okay, the third activity is watching TV. Okay, how to conserve it? Okay, to turn off the TV while sleeping. The fourth one and the last one, use the air conditioner. The air conditioner takes or consumes a lot amount of electricity. Okay, but the fan use small amount of electricity. So we can use the fan instead of air conditioner. The last page in this lesson, spotlight on technology. Okay, how can we use the technology? Read the text, circle words you don't know. Plastic garbage is a problem for the environment. Many of plastic bags and bottles we use will still be around in 1,000 years. Okay, so it have long lifetime. That's more than 10 human lifetimes. Okay, so it leaves a lot of time. What if we could reuse or recycle some of those bottles? So if we recycle them, that will be very good. An Egyptian teenager named Azza Abdelhamid Fayed had a great idea. She developed a way to use plastic to make fuel. The fuel can be used to power vehicles. Azza's idea helped to solve two problems at once. The first one is getting rid of the plastic wastes, okay? It also provides a source of energy. What is the source of energy? Is the fuel. The fuel is very important to all kind of vehicles to make them move. Okay, thank you.